All right, we're working on the Oliver 1800 tonight. I believe this one is a C, 1800C. And tonight I got valve cover on. I got started on putting the thermostat back in, but I'm going to leave it off right there. And I got that filter put in. I also got all these parts clean with the power washer. And that's how I did the valve cover too. Thermostat. So when we get the tractor together and running, we can just take it over and power wash it too, really, and get a lot of this stuff cleaned up in a hurry. We'll do that without putting, the hood back on, or the shrouds, the sides, whatever you call those right there. When I get the gas tank in. So, yeah. Got quite a bit done tonight. Short amount of time because the weather's good. So I was able to just, run outside and power wash things. And so I made it a full day of it. I did some fencing earlier today. And got the gas tank put back together. Well, we had to set it up so it wouldn't come down again. It had to be remodeled, so to speak. And I got my truck washed while I was power washing parts. I figured might as well do that too. But won't run around and show you all the other stuff because people like it better when I just stick to one thing, like the Oliver 1800 on these videos. So that's what we're doing right now. The fuel injectors will go back on right in here. And I took photographs of how that all gets plumbed back together. And that's what I'll be using to help me do that. Books are great, but there's nothing like your own sketches or photos, your notes. Nothing replaces that. Swather 800. So